Dear students, welcome all of you. Please very carefully. This series of videos is meant for your better achievement in NEET. I request all of you go through all the questions very carefully. It will increase your score in biology by about 30%. I request all of you to subscribe to the channel so that every video will reach you in advance. Thanks to all subscribers. Let us start. Wish you all the best. Question number 1. Which one of the following conditions correctly describes the manner of determining the sex in the given example? Option A. Homozygous sex chromosomes, XX, produce male in Drosophila. Option B. Homozygous sex chromosomes, ZZ, determine female sex in birds. Option C. XO, type of sex chromosomes determine male sex in grasshopper. Option D. XO, condition in humans as found in Turner syndrome, determines female sex. The correct option is C. XO, type of sex chromosomes determine the male sex in grasshoppers. Question number 2. A person with unknown blood group under ABO system has suffered much blood loss in an accident and needs immediate blood transfusion. One of his friends, who has a valid certificate of his own blood type, offers for blood donation without delay. What would have been the type of blood group of the donor friend? Option A. Type A. Option B. Type B. Option C. Type AB. Option D. Type O. The correct option is D. O. Blood group. Question number 3. What are those structures that appear as beads on string in the chromosomes when viewed under electron microscope? Option A. Base pairs. Option B. Genes. Option C. Nucleotides. Option D. Nucleosomes. The correct option is D. Nucleosomes.
Question number 4. Match the source gland with its respective hormone as well as function. Option A. Gland, thyroid. Hormone, thyroxine, regulates blood calcium level. Option B. Gland, anterior pituitary. Hormone, oxytocin, contraction of uterus muscles during childbirth. Option C. Gland, posterior pituitary. Hormone, vasopressin, stimulates reabsorption of water in the distal tubules of the nephron. Option D. Gland, corpus luteum. Hormone, estrogen, supports pregnancy. The correct option is C. Gland, posterior pituitary. Hormone, vasopressin, stimulates reabsorption of water in the distal tubules of the nephron. Option D. Gland, corpus luteum. Hormone, estrogen, supports pregnancy. The correct option is C. Gland, posterior pituitary. Hormone, vasopressin, stimulates reabsorption of water in the distal tubules of the nephron. Question number 5. Which of the following is correctly stated as happens in common cockroach? Option A. The food is ground by mandibles and gizzard. Option B. Malpighian tubules are excretory organs projecting out from the colon. Option C. Oxygen is transported by hemoglobin in blood. Option D. Nitrogenous excretory product is urea. The correct option is A. The food is ground by mandibles and gizzard. Question number 6. A large proportion of oxygen is left unused in the human blood even after its uptake by the body tissues. This oxygen Option A helps in releasing more oxygen to the epithelium tissues. Option B acts as a reserve during muscular exercise. Option C raises the partial pressure of oxygen of blood to 75 mm of mercury. Option D is enough to keep oxyhemoglobin saturation at 96%. The correct option is B acts as a reserve during muscular exercise. Question number 7. Which one of the following enzymes carries on the initial step in the digestion of milk in humans? Option A. Trypsin. Option B. Pepsin. Option C. Renin. Option D. Lipase. The correct option is B. Pepsin.
Question number 8. Which one of the following is not a part of a renal pyramid? Option A. Loops of Henle. Option B. Peritubular capillaries. Option C. Convoluted tubules. Option D. Collecting ducts. The correct option is C. Convoluted tubules. Question number 9. One very special feature in the earthworm Phaeratoma is that Option A. It has a long dorsal tubular heart. Option B. Fertilization of eggs occurs inside the body. Option C. The typhlosylle greatly increases the effective absorption area of the digested food in the intestine. Option D. The S-shaped setae embedded in the integument are the defensive weapons used against the enemies. The correct option is C. The typhlosylle greatly increases the effective absorption area of the digested food in the intestine. Question number 10. Two friends are eating together at a dining table. One of them suddenly starts coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of Option A. Tongue. Option B. Epiglottis. Option C. Diaphragm. Option D. Neck. The correct option is B. Epiglottis.